Hey man, what's good, bro? It's your boy E Toonsy back in the fucking building. Today, I'm gonna go over a gold trade I took. Yeah, man, we took a trade on gold, only trade gold. You feel? But look though, I made 137 today. Y'all see the motherfucking trade. I'm keeping it transparent with y'all. Every fucking trade I take, even no trade day, I'm gonna show you why I didn't take a trade, and I'm gonna show you if I did take a trade, what I took it, and what maybe take that trade. You know what I'm saying? Breaking this shit down step by step. So let's go over the trade right now. So, me, I'm gonna start on a daily time frame. I already got this shit set up at 8 o'clock. So I don't gotta worry about none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming prepared for y'all boys. You feel me? I'm gonna be more prepared each video. I'm just starting this shit out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be saying with a lot of slur and all that shit. But this for all my people in the trenches. Just showing y'all, hey man, just cause you in the trenches don't mean nothing. Even for my school boys, you feel me? Quarter zip niggas. Hey, this for y'all too, you feel me? So alright. I'm gonna break this shit easy as hell. All you gotta do, previous day high, previous day low. This is your liquidity zones. PDHA. Watch my first video. You'll understand why I abbreviated that and what the abbreviation means. PDL. Watch the first video. But I now got my previous high, previous day low. So now, like I said, I'm a scalper. And I like to turn my scalp to day trades if I can. And all I gotta do is for real, bro, is mark on my previous day high, previous day lows. I don't have to look back all at this damn information. I just gotta look at current price action. Cause all I'm trading is current price action. I don't gotta look back 2 to 3 days. I'm looking back previous sessions. I'm giving out gems. Giving out gems. And I don't think people really on YouTube breaking shit down like this. Step by step, people be on YouTube breaking shit down. And I don't think they breaking it down like this. So y'all like, subscribe my channel, man, so I can keep doing this. Well, I'm gonna keep doing it for me anyway, but like and subscribe, watch the fucking progress. I had wanted to play some music for y'all, but I guess last time I had some music in the background and cut the music off and talking about copyright. I'm trying to get paid for these videos. Fuck that. But I keep saying and shit. Let me just go ahead and finish my trading. So alright, boom. We on the hour time frame. We had to break a structure down, had to break a structure up. So now we know we is bullish. Now ICC as well in play. Let's go ahead and do it. I got a low, I got a high. Indication to sell. I got a low, I got a high. And see that? Low, high. You know what I'm saying? We drop. Indication to sell, right? But look, we failed to keep lower. We end up taking this what? Lower high out. Price shouldn't take no lower high. It should keep creating lower highs and lower lows. The price want to continue bearish. Now we just had a transition, the price action that want to go back up. So now we are bullish. So we bullish now. Let me erase all these boxes. Breaking it down. ICC. Indication, correction, continuation. I had an indication for the buys. Now I'm waiting for the correction to get in on the continuation. And this why you always wait for the continuation. Watch this. So boom. Me, I drop down on my 5 minute. I trade supply and demand, and I always mark on my liquidity zones. So what I do, I go to my session indicator, and I look. I got agent session is purple, London session is green. So now all I gotta do is just draw up my agent low, which is that. My agent high, which is this. And I got so much sauce, man, but I'm not gonna give it up on my channel. I'm just gonna show you like basic shit that's already been explained. You can look up on YouTube. But Asian low, Asian high. Then I got my London. And you can tell that what I did was I took different concepts, a different strategy, and added in one and made my own understanding. And that's what trading is. It's about you understand the market and how you understand the market. Not nobody else. You motherfucker. Yeah, you. You. I'm looking at you, bitch. Yeah. So I think this will be my London high. Okay, yep. London high. Boom. That motherfucker thought I wasn't paying attention, huh? Cause I was on your ass. Now I'm on my London lows. So okay, bam. So now I got my London high, my London low. I got all my liquidity marked up. What happened? During agent session, we took out the previous day lows. Got it. Sure. So we took out previous day lows. Then when we took out them previous day lows, you see how we shot up during agent session and took out the previous lower high. Now we just had a breaker structure to the upside, indication to the upside. So now this morning I cut my sessions off. Now I'm looking at price. I'm like, okay, I see all these 5 minute supply, but they not really showing me nothing good. So let me go higher. I'm gonna see if I can find any higher PDAs. So now I see a demand. And excuse me, I think I said supply earlier. I'm tripping. But demand, y'all. And the only reason I said supply is cause I'm gonna show y'all why. But these are demands. So I'm seeing on 5 minute, it was so many demands. When you see shit like this, just go to your 15-minute time frame. Now you see a clear zone. So bam, I got my two 15 the minute demands marked up. So you now you see I have the 15-minute demands, and now you see all that price action. I couldn't really tell on the 5 minute. It was kind of like ugly. But if I go higher in the time frame, I can see two demand levels clear as day. So now I go back on the 5 minute time frame. So I'm being patient. I get a tap. And as well, when I get this tap, I'm thinking that price is may break down and take this demand, liquidate this demand to come tap to this demand. So I'm like, okay, let me mark up this supply right here, 5 minute supply. So I marked up my 5 minute supply. So now I'm seeing price is actually holding at my demand. I'm seeing my demand being respected. But I'm getting in my head, like I said, I'm gonna tell you why I'm saying supply. But now I'm not even work. This is why we don't take any position on the correction. We wait for the continuation, and this is why. So this supply in my head, and that's why I was saying supplies earlier right here, because I would think about this supply, what I was trying to take to liquidate this demand to come back for this demand tap. So I would think on some shit like this. Mm, mm, liquidate that, come back up like that. I know price ain't gonna exactly do that, but that's what's in my head. Like price may gonna come up, come down hard, respect this extreme demand, hold, and then continue up for the continuation. But look what happened. Price is still holding and respecting my demand level. And usually I'll get in at the break of the candle. Boom, I would been in. So when I seen this play, I seen this get straight invalidated. I went ahead and deleted that. So now I'm like, okay, E, can I still get in this play? I said, yes, I can. It did a displacement candle, but I gotta wait until it comes 50% back. If it come and close below this candle low, I'm not getting in the trade. Cause this now this demand may get invalidated to come back and respect this demand. This extreme demand. So now my shit like this. I'm waiting. Boom, gave it my 50% entry. I went ahead and put my SL down here below this candle. Cause I know if I put my SL here, yes, it's still an 8-pit SL. And I know this ain't that big, but I'm looking like, okay, I'm a scalper. I'm trying to get in at the market. This is a placement candle. So I got in right here. TP at the 101. Like I told y'all, I'm either taking 75 to 90% off at the TP1. But today I just took the TP1. Mm, 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 mm. Instantly, 5 minutes, TP1 hit, my nigga. Now, if I would just say, fuck this supply, not trying to get in on the fucking correction, and actually know that, hey, we in a breaker structure, nigga. It's the ICC all day. And as well, your play too. It left two pretty ass demand levels with a fair value got to get filled. So basically, I did an ICC play, but I just didn't put my LCL down here. Put my LCL up here. But if I would put my LCL down here, 1 to 1 here, my shit would still got smacked. But I didn't. So it's right here. Boom. So we're gonna see what price did. Yeah, it probably took me out at break even. But if I would never brought my SL to break even, look, price almost came down and took you out. If your SL down here almost by a motherfucking probably 1 tick or 0.5 of a tick. So boom. I always aim for London highs. And then if it continue, I feel like it's gonna continue taking London highs. I'm aiming for the motherfucking previous day highs. So let's see what price did. God damn. You see that shit, man. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. That shit did what it's supposed to do. But yeah, man, I'm gonna put that bitch back up. Yeah, but yeah, man, always wait for the play. Always understand the overall structure. And you can catch back and trades like these too. Play out exactly how I want to play. Good. Made 137, could have made more, but it's all good. Gotta get what the market give you. And that's it, man. See y'all boys tomorrow. See if I'm gonna catch a trade, win or lose. We still gonna continue and be able to survive. Let's get this shit going.